So the last like headline thing I saw it on X, of course.
Of course. Which we are streaming on right now.
It's Terry. Terry's famous. 4th of July Terry. You
Oh,
guys know?
Terry. Yes, yes. Yesterday on the socials I posted, I genuinely hope Terry has fully charged his chair today.
Well, I saw a video. I didn't know if either one of you had seen Terry before, but they
Oh,
have
yeah.
he was in a parade this year.
Oh,
wow.
good for him.
Yeah, and it said like whatever the quote was on it. It was great. I won't show you the clip if you've seen it. All right, we're gonna get into it. What do we want to do first, guys?
You're the master of ceremonies.
Yeah.
Do you want to do serious, funny? What do you guys want to do?
Let's do a serious one because we did some funny for a bit.
All right. So, are you guys familiar with Fraser Bohm?
No.
No.
All right. So he's an adult. He's a young adult. He lives in Southern California in the LA area. And he had a red, like 2016 red BMW sedan. He was driving it in Malibu, on that Big Sur highway that's in everything.
Yeah.
And what he claims is there was traffic, there was like a road rage thing that happened. Somebody clipped him that was like harassing him or something. He ended up hitting and killing 4 seniors at Pepperdine University, 4 sorority women.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, terrible, terrible thing that happened. But he wasn't drinking. He was on his way to a friend's like birthday party. So I think maybe had like a present in the car, or he was on his way home. They're saying he was driving really fast, and they are throwing the book at this guy. But his parents obviously have money because his lawyer is Alan Jackson, the guy that got Kevin Spacey off and got Karen Reed off.
Super lawyer.
Right. So I want to kind of look at, I have a video from Vinnie Politan, but I got to cue it up because I don't want to watch the whole thing. I just want to get to the simulation he does in this.
Yeah, let me know when it's ready.
Shout out to Vinnie Politan.
Yeah, good old Vin from Court TV. Is he still on Court TV? I know there was like a shakeup.
Yeah, he's like a partial owner in Court TV, so I don't think that they could get rid of him even if they wanted to. Not that they'd want to, but I'm sure. But they pretty much cleaned house with everybody else. Thank God. I mean, it was trash.
What about that one guy? The guy, the kind of nerdy guy?
They kept him.
Oh,
I was like, what? Of all the people? Yeah.
Yeah.
They're now no longer standing there, but there are homes on the side there. The closer you get downtown or into Malibu, you'll see that there's structures on either side, but no sidewalks. There are no sidewalks. It's a highway, but it's a highway in an area where there are homes.
So I think he said there were structures there. Those burned in the fire, right?
No idea. That's a famous
driveway.
That's a famously dangerous curve, though, right?
Yeah, they call it Dead Man's Curve.
Yeah.
Yep.
And look at this curve. Look the speed that we're talking about here with these types of curves. We created an artificial intelligence AI animation of the area. Let's take a look at that right now as well. And you get an idea of what it's kind of like when you're driving down the Pacific Coast Highway heading into Malibu. These curves are not easy. This is a dangerous road that has...
So we don't have to watch that. I just wanted you guys to kind of see the area where we're talking about.
Right.
But if you'll notice, like, people like to go down to that beach. It's picturesque, like it's famous. They like to get their picture taken there, which is why those women were there. But there is no parking.
Yeah.
So they often park like really dangerously on the side of the road and get out and walk.
Yeah.
Is that what happened to this case?
Yes, that's how those girls died. So this is Alan Jackson. He is, I haven't brought it up yet. Let me get through the intro.
Yeah, Ken Alan Jackson's like a super lawyer. He's just like he's known as one of the best in the country.
He's amazing.
It's like I don't follow stuff like that very often. So when you said that name, I was like, "What? Isn't he a country singer?"
I know. I thought that the first time I heard his name too.
Stemming from their deaths. Local station KABC was in the courtroom last month when Bohm made his first court appearance with his new attorney, Alan Jackson.
Before the entry of a not guilty plea, which is what we expect, obviously, I would ask the court for one continuance of the arraignment. We have just been brought on the case as of the last about 48 hours.
Oh, wow.
Jackson was Karen Reed's lead attorney in her trial earlier this year, which ended in acquittals for the murder and manslaughter charges she faced. Bohm's defense is expected to be that he was fleeing a road rage incident at the time of the wreck.
As far as another vehicle that's involved, we haven't been in.
Funds for an expert intensive defense. Here's the judge's response to that motion.
There are many defendants sitting in the county jail right now who would love me to reduce their bail so they can hire Alan Jackson or other private counsel. But that's not the way it works. Mr. Bohm cannot afford Mr. Jackson's services. He is free to find other private counsel, or he can request the appointment of the public defender if he qualifies for their services, which, despite being free, is oftentimes excellent.
Bohm's
I don't know about
request,
that.
but he is due back in court.
No shade on
Okay.
public defenders, but I mean, they're no Alan Jackson.
So Alan Jackson basically argued last week that he wants these charges dismissed because they're charging this kid with the same crime they charged Brian Koberger with. Like
What?
they are way overcharging him. It's insane. Clearly this was an accident. They're saying it was like reckless and intentional, like it's a whole thing, but they denied it. So this kid's going to go to trial.
Oof. I'm tired of prosecutors throwing the book at people and hoping they get what they want. Did they charge him with like 13 other things too, so that they can get him on something?
Oh, I'm sure. I don't know what the exact charges are, but that big one, man, that's pretty
rough. That's
crazy.
rough.